So here's how you can use a do-it-yourself website layout on the iPad. So let me show you how it works. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, I know a lot of people who like to browse the internet, but perhaps want to reorganize some things in here or make some things remove. Right? There are a few ways we can utilize. Inside of the website through Safari, we can tap on the button next to the URL, which lets us hide distracting items. And you'll see like an item on the screen, which might be an image or a title or something. You can click on it and literally hide it away, which means that it will disappear and something else will move to that place. And that's very useful because it just lets you just do it yourself for the design. You can literally just delete some things which you don't like there, and you can just start using the website normally, right? But of course, without the things which you have manually hidden away. So that is very useful. I know a lot of people who use that, but that would be just one way of doing that. Outside of that, you can also just go to the page and at the top, click on the button next to the URL and proceed for more options where you can click on the request desktop version. So you can change the website layout by switching between the mobile website and the like computer desktop website. And also you can add or just request the reader mode, because the reader mode might as well just let you browse the page a little bit differently, meaning that you'll see a different layout. So I really hope that I can help you out and explain it quickly in this video. Let me know what you think. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.